Welcome back to Japan Travel Tips. If you're planning your trip to Japan, there are a few things you definitely shouldn't do, unless you want to stand out for the wrong reasons. Here are the top 5 things you should never do in Japan. 1. Don't talk loudly in public. In Japan, keeping quiet in public spaces, especially on trains, is considered polite. So, save your conversations and phone calls for later. You'll notice everyone else is calm and quiet. It's part of the peaceful atmosphere. 2. Don't tip at restaurants. In Japan, tipping is not expected and can even be seen as rude. Excellent service is part of the culture, and prices already include everything. Just pay the bill, say arigato gozaimasu, and smile. 3. Don't walk while eating. In many countries, eating on the go is normal, but not in Japan. It's considered bad manners to walk and eat at the same time. Instead, find a spot, enjoy your food calmly, and then continue exploring. 4. Don't wear shoes indoors. Before entering homes, temples, and even some restaurants, you'll need to take off your shoes. You'll usually see slippers provided at the entrance. Just follow the local custom. 5. Don't point or touch people. Pointing at people or touching someone while talking is considered impolite. Use an open hand or nod instead. It's much more respectful in Japanese culture. Closing. So there you have it. 5 things you should never do in Japan. Follow these tips and you'll blend in like a local in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video. 10 essential travel tips for Japan. See you soon on Japan Travel Tips.